Yeah, I'm waiting for a candidate to come. Let's wait. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very good. Welcome. You have dressed yourself properly, presented nicely. Very good. Congratulations. What is your degree, please?
Sir, I have done BSc with physics, chemistry, math as my subjects.
Which year did you complete it?
Sir, in 2018.
2018. 8 or
Yes, sir.
19? 18. Acha, acha. Good. Very good. So of these three subjects, which one you like very much?
Sir, in between physics, chemistry, math.
Yeah. Which one you like very much?
Sir, chemistry.
Chemistry. Oh. Can you tell me what do you understand? What do you learn under organic chemistry?
Sir, actually, we read inorganic chemistry about carbon and hydrogen mainly, and about the stability and reactivity of compounds.
Acha.
Yes.
What made you like chemistry? Is it because you are scoring high marks in that, or is it that you can understand that easily?
Sir, both are the reasons.
Very good. What is a catalyst?
Sir, catalyst is a compound or element which does not change the entire reaction. It's initial and final compound, but change its time period. It can slow or fasten the reaction as per required.
Oh, good.
Thanks.
Chemistry. Of course. Can you tell me the name of few acids?
Few acids?
Acids.
Yes, sir. Yeah. So mainly we categorize acids in two parts: strong acids and weak acids. Strong acids are which produce H plus ions in high amount. For example, HCl. On the other hand, the weak acids like CS3COH, acetic acid, produce H plus ions in slow amount and slow process.
Very good. So what made you develop interest in banking? Is it some of your parents, some of your relatives are working in bank?
Sir, can I answer this question in Hindi?
Yeah.
जी सर, जब मैंने केमिस्ट्री या अपने जो बीएससी नॉन मेडिकल कंप्लीट करी, उसके बाद सर जब मैंने देखा अपने सेक्टर में इतनी जॉब्स अपॉर्चुनिटीज नहीं थी, तो उसके बाद सर मैंने अगर सेक्टर्स को एक्सप्लोर करना स्टार्ट किया, तो मैंने देखा कि सबसे जो फास्टेस्ट ग्रोइंग सेक्टर है वो बैंकिंग सेक्टर है। तो मैंने सर इसके बारे में स्टडी किया, तो मैंने देखा कि बैंकिंग की जॉब सर एक व्हाइट कॉलर जॉब है और इसमें सर आपको समाज में काफी रिस्पेक्ट मिलती है, इसकी प्रमोशन पॉलिसी काफी अच्छी है और आपकी जॉब सिक्योरिटी भी है। तो सर काफी ऐसी चीजें हैं जिसने बैंकिंग सेक्टर ने मुझे अपनी ओर आकर्षित किया।
Good. And also, some candidates used to tell me they prefer coming to banks because banks decide about the selection quickly, whereas other institutions, they take a longer time. Correct?
Yes, sir, this could be one of the reasons.
Yeah. Now tell me, what do you know about RRBs?
RRBs are regional rural banks, first established in 1975 under M. Narasimha Committee. An ordinance was passed in 1975, then an act was established in 1976, and the first RRBs Pratham Gramin Bank, which is in UP, Uttar Pradesh. Yes. And if we talk about their working and functions, initially it was established on the basis of lending to rural segment, developing their economic capital and providing them financial facilities. But now when they were when they were running in losses. Again, Khusrau Committee 1989 and 1990 and Narasimha Committee, they recommended either RRBs can be merged into sponsor bank or they can perform all operations like commercial banks. Then one of the suggestions were taken, like they can perform commercial activities. So now they perform every commercial activity like any other bank.
Yeah, like other banks. Good, good. Now, can you differentiate between commercial banks and non-banking finance companies?
Yes, sir. The basic difference is the commercial banks are which are regulated under Banking Regulation Act 1949. On the other hand, NBFCs, non-banking financial companies, they work under Companies Act 1956 or Companies Act 2013, which has been amended. Bank can accept and give loan. Both of these functions can be performed by the bank. While on the other hand, NBFC can do either of the work. Either they can lend the money or they can accept the deposit.
I think some NBFCs, they do take fixed deposits and also give advances. Please check it up.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So only thing is they can't take demand deposits.
Yes, demand.
They cannot take demand deposits. They are not forming part and parcel of payment system. They cannot issue debit cards. They don't have ATMs. Of course, maybe they will have ATMs.
In partnership with another.
Partnership with banks. Yeah, yeah. Good. Good. Why should we hire you?
Sir, according to me, I have certain skills which are communication skills, leadership qualities, and sir, improving day by day. So I think on this my qualities, I can be hired.
Good. So Haryana, what is the name of the bank that is functioning?
Sir, Sarva Haryana Gramin Bank.
Oh, which is the sponsoring bank?
PNB, Punjab National Bank.
Acha. Do they have some mobile app, this bank?
PNB, sir, or Sarva Haryana?
No, I'm not talking about PNB. I'm talking about your RRB. Do they have some mobile apps? I'm not sure about it. आप देख लीजिए उसका बारे में.
I have read it, but I'm not able to recall right now.
What is the name of the Gramina Bank? Haryana?
Sarva Haryana Gramin Bank.
Sarva Haryana
RBA Sarva
Gramin Bank. I will see. Sarva Haryana Gramin Bank. Today my searching is very slow. shgb.co.in. That is their website. Sarva
Yes,
Haryana Gramin Bank. First, they have given
Yes,
interest rate, service charges, recruitment, promotions, tender notice, RTA, grievance redressal, customer rights, deposits, loans, our financials, property for sale.
Yes, sir.
Then here, digital zone, RuPay Festive Carnival, mobile banking services, they do offer. RuPay
Yes,
card
sir.
offers, RuPay card insurance, ATM cards, do's and don'ts, M-banking security alerts, mobile banking services, click करने से their download app. You have to download an app and then make use of it. They provide all the facilities itself, just as other banks.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, do they give say internet facilities?
Yes, sir,
Digital product में देखने से, yeah, mobile banking, then procedure, mobile banking, e-commerce, but banking, they have not given about say digital, internet banking. Let me see under products. Under products, Also, it is not given. Perhaps they are not having internet banking. Please check up with other candidates.
Sure,
Okay.
sir.
Who is the chairman of your bank?
Shri Pranay Kumar Mahanti ji.
Correct. Shri Pranaya Kumar Mohanty. Super. You told rightly. What are the various deposits of that are there in our Sarva Haryana Gramin Bank?
Sorry, sir, I'm not able
What
to
are the deposit schemes?
deposit scheme. Actually, sir, I have read it, but I'm not able to record.
Only
Right
these
now?
three. Only these three. Savings fund, fixed deposit, recurring deposit. I think they have not mentioned about current account also. Arey
Yeah,
Baba,
I
ye-
thought you were talking about some scheme, name of scheme.
I think not, they don't have current account it seems.
Okay.
ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? कोई करंट अकाउंट नहीं है? आप थोड़ा इसका
I-
पूरा आप पूरा पढ़ लीजिए इसमें क्या क्या it appears to be a peculiar bank and
Yeah.
they have not mentioned anything about current account. Whereas under loans, they have given agricultural loan, education loans, home loans, MSME, car loans and all that. But
Yes, sir.
why there is no current account, इसका बारे में आप सीख लो. Find out. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Good. Very good. Now coming to Haryana Gramin Bank, you appear very smart. You can be taken in, no problem. But how will you improve the business of this bank?
Yes, sir. Sir, the business can be improved by my qualities and by the services offered by the bank. If we provide high facilities like good customer service to the customers, the business can be automatically improved. Since the deposit which we receive in the bank is automatic in the rural area, but mainly business of bank is improved by loan amounts and some other financial activities, which can only be improved if we provide better service.
Good. Expand PMJDY. Tell me something about it.
Yes, sir. PMJDY is abbreviation of Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, which was started in 2014. It is a zero balance account. Anyone who is a citizen of India and having valid ID proof and address proof can open account in PMJDY. And some specification of this account is you can deposit up to 50,000 in one time and maximum 1 lakh in an year. And you can also receive overdraft facility of 10,000.
Correct. And PMJDY account are eligible for direct benefit transfer. Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, Atal Pension Yojana and all. What is Atal Pension Yojana?
Yes, sir. Atal Pension Yojana is a scheme by Government of India. It can be classified into 5 slabs, and it is provided to the age of 18 to 40 years. And when the citizen turn 60 years, the pension starts receiving.
Good. Can you elaborate about PMJJBY?
Yeah. PMJJY is an abbreviation of Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, and you have to pay premium on annual basis, which can be deducted automatically from PMJDY, and you can receive up to, if I'm not sure, 2 lakh.
What is the premium? Amount. What is the premium in this?
Sir, premium is about 330 per year.
330 per year. Good. You told rightly. What is the difference between PMJJBY and PMSSBY?
Yes, that's the basic difference is PMJJY. You can claim it after your death. Of course, your family will.
Family will claim after our death.
Family will claim it after your death. And in
don't use the word you. You use Nekar. The customer,
Yeah.
after the death of the customer, his family can claim. समझ गया? Good.
Yes, sir.
Where are you looking? Somebody is looking at you there.
No, sir. Actually, the screen is switching. When I talk, my screen shows, and I want to look at your screen.
Oh, acha. That is the reason. Good.
Low screen. Yes, sir.
Now I was asking about JJBY, SSBY.
Yeah. Sir, give me a
Difference.
second.
Difference.
Low. Yes. Yes, sir. PMJJY is Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, while other one is Suraksha Bima Yojana. And in the Suraksha Bima Yojana, you have to pay rupees 12 per annum for premium, and you will receive accidental insurance up to 2 lakh amount. While on the other hand, in Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, you have to pay 330 per annum, and you will receive, I guess, 2 lakh.
The
I'm
difference
not
is
sure.
the difference is JJBY, normal death is also covered,
Okay.
whereas in the case of SSBY, only accidental death or accidental disability will be covered.
Yes.
Could you follow? Have you
Yes,
heard
sir.
of the term IRDAI?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
It is an IRDA is Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India, established in 1960, and currently its CEO is Mr. Subhash Chandra Kuntia, and IRDA regulate all the insurance sector in India.
Good. अब अच्छा बोलते हैं किस इंस्टीट्यूट में पढ़ा है आपने? अनअकैडमी?
No, sir. Actually, I have given already 4 interviews, sir. This is 3 interviews. This is going to my 4th interview.
Oh, you attended last year also RRB
Yes.
and PO?
Yes, RRB PO, IBS PO.
Oh, acha, that is the reason. Good. So last year, how many marks did you score in the interview?
Sir, I scored in RRB 65 out of 100. And in IBS PO, I scored merely 55 out of 100.
No, by how many marks did you miss the selection in RRB PO?
Sir, in RRB PO, the difference was considerable in the final merit. But in IBS PO, I missed by just 2 marks.
Oh,
2 times. 2 times.
2 marks, 2 times.
Yeah.
Very sad. Oh. But you are answering very well. That's why you are having experience about answering questions. Now tell me, which questions could you not answer properly in the previous interviews that turned out to be difficult for you?
Initially, sir, I couldn't answer questions regarding current affairs, basically politics.
Oh. No,
Yes,
but
and it was
now
first
when you
question.
go for the interview, you must have 10 to 15 items in your hand, current affair items, maybe related to banking, related to politics, related to sports, anything.
Yes, sir.
Ready करके जाना.
Yes, this time I'm thoroughly preparing, sir. Every aspect and every field.
What is that? What is the tragedy that happened in Karnataka film world?
Sorry, sir, I'm not able to recall.
That boy died na recently, Rajkumar. उनका बेटा डेथ हो गया अभी. You don't know?
No.
ये तो current actor. About 4 days back. Yeah.
I have heard. He is a very good human being, and he is providing 1,800 children education, and various NGOs run by him.
So it seems he is philanthropic. There were 3 sons, and one is this boy has died. So likewise, you must be in the know of things of what is happening in and around us.
Yes, sir. I couldn't hear the name.
Which website are you following for current affairs? Adda or Affairs Cloud or what?
Adda, sir. I watch daily videos of Adda.
Adda will do. Take down notes.
Actually,
Whenever
I'm
you
also
listen, you
following
must take down notes also. Okay.
I'm following
Now,
newspapers.
can you name a few ministers from Union Cabinet?
Yes, sir. I can start with Shrimati Nirmala Sitharaman ji. She is a finance minister. Then Shri Amit Shah ji, who is home minister. Then I can name Union Aviation, Civil Aviation Minister, who is Jyotiraditya Scindia ji. And,
One more.
okay.
One more.
And
Tomar.
Purushottam
Tomar is
Rupala Das
minister. Tomar is minister for what? Tomar.
Sorry,
Narendra
sir?
Singh Tomar.
He is Sir Agriculture and Farmers Rural
Very good.
Development
Very
Minister.
good. Very good. First class. Now we go on to tough questions.
Yes.
Tough questions. Tell me what is pledge? What is hypothecation?
Sir, I can tell a hypothecation because I've read about it. I'm not sure about the pledge. Hypothecation is secure. Hypothecation is when bank provides a loan against a movable property, like a car loan. It is hypothecation, but I am not able to recall what pledge, sir.
Pledge means jewel loan.
Sorry,
Gold
sir?
loan.
Gold loan. Okay, okay.
That is pledge. The
Yes, sir.
possession is in the hands of banker. Ownership
Okay.
also in the hands of bank on the customer. Whereas in the
Okay.
case of hypothecation, both possession and ownership are in the hands of the customer, and the charge is created in the books.
Okay,
RTO
sir.
ऑफिस में बैंक ए बुक खाता में लिख देगा the vehicle is hypothecated to so and so bank. समझ गया? Marked
sir.
gauge का मतलब क्या है?
Sir, when a loan is provided by the bank to customer against immovable property, for example, land loan.
Good. Tell me something about CIBIL score.
Yes, sir. CIBIL score is a score when we apply for credit card or when we take loan from the bank. It reflects our credit history. If we haven't taken any loan, any credit card, usually CIBIL score is -1, and it can go up to 750.
Good.
Higher the score is good.
No, you can always say it is 3 digits. Maximum is 900 sims. 900.
Oh.
The best score is 750.
Okay, sir.
750 and above.
Okay, sir.
Can you tell me the types of ATM?
Yes, sir. ATMs, automated teller, ATM is known as automated teller machine, which can be of 3 types, which is in bank type, which is usually in premises of bank. Like if a bank is of State Bank of India and an ATM is established just outside the bank, then it is in premises bank. And other ones are white label ATMs and brown label ATMs. White label ATMs are operated by NBFCs when where no board or ownership is of any bank, like no tagline and no name of their any bank. And brown label ATMs are which hardwares are possessed by the company or some another person, but their every ad, or you could say the name is of the bank.
Correct. Bank is ATMs are not owned by the bank. Instead, they are taken on lease to provide service to the customer.
Yes.
Define plastic money.
Yeah. So plastic money is which can be used by digital means or by ATMs. For example, credit cards, debit cards are the example of plastic money.
Good. Can you tell me what is a balance sheet?
So balance sheet is the reflection of all the assets and liabilities, which reflect the I could say state of any company.
Can you tell me the
Okay.
items that will appear under assets and liabilities?
Yes, sir. Sir, assets, the cash in hand, for example, the lands and anything which has a value, and which like inventory and equity are can be classified into assets.
Equity comes under liability.
So yes sir. Equity
Now,
come
now,
in-
now try again. Assets पहले बोलो, बाद में liabilities बोलो. बोलो
yes,
बोलो.
sir. Yeah, cash in hand, land possessions, okay, and inventory. I can name three.
No, no,
sir.
actually, you can make it easy by telling assets, first fixed assets.
Okay.
Fixed assets means land, building, machinery, vehicles. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then current assets. Current assets which change quite often, that which can be converted into cash within a period of 1 year,
Yes. Sir.
like stocks, then there is stocks in process, then fully prepared stocks, and also sundry debtors. We have supplied goods, not received payment. These are
Okay.
coming under current assets. Coming to liabilities, first
Yes,
and
sir.
foremost thing is capital. Capital may, first thing is you may have, say, paid up capital. There are so many terminologies like authorized capital, subscribed capital. So, but this simply remember paid capital, which is mainly consisting of equity shares. Equity shares means ordinary shares eligible for being given dividend. And the priority
Yes.
is preference shares. Apart from that, liabilities
Okay.
which the company owes others, monies the company has to pay to other companies, that will appear under the liabilities side. This is current liabilities. Long-term liabilities or liabilities which the company has taken from banks or other financial institutions on a long-term basis. So these are the things. Liabilities में क्या क्या होगा? Capital, long-term liabilities, short current liabilities. Asset side में fixed assets, current assets, and also intangible assets. Intangible assets means patents, rights, goodwill. ये सब उसमें आएगा. समझ गया?
Yes, sir. I will go and read about it.
Very
more.
good. You have answered all my questions very well. Only one question more. What is a bad bank?
Yes, sir. Bad bank, which is also abbreviated as NARCL, means National Asset Reconstruction Company Limited, was announced in 2021 budget by the government of India, and it names only reflect bad bank, but it is good for the other banks. It take all the bad NPAs from
You told
all
very
the bad
nicely.
NPAs, bad loans,
Yeah,
and try to recover the NPAs.
super. This is one of my best interviews.
Thank you, sir.
This is one of my very good interviews. I don't know. One, because you have had experience. Number two, you are prepared very seriously. Now, can you tell me something about the Nobel Prizes?
Yes, sir. I know about the Nobel Prizes and I've read it. They were announced recently, but I'm not remember the name of all the people.
Okay, no
But
issues. No issues.
yes.
No issues. What are the areas in which Nobel Prizes are given?
Sir, initially it was awarded in 5 areas, but now the new area economics has been added. And first I can start with Nobel Peace Prize, then Nobel Prize in Chemistry, then Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine, and Nobel Prize in Physics, and Nobel Prize in Economics.
Literature also.
So it's literature.
Yeah, good. You are told very nicely.
Yes, sir.
हरियाणा का पॉलिटिक्स क्या है?
Sorry, sir.
हरियाणा का पॉलिटिक्स.
Yes, sir. Haryana has 10 seats for MPs for Lok Sabha and 90 seats for Assembly for MLAs. And in 2019, recently election was held for 90 seats, and the next election going to be held in 2020.
Along with the parliament.
Yes, sir.
Very good. I have no more questions to you. You have
Thank you, sir.
answered very well.
Thank you, sir.
कोई चिंता मत करो, अच्छा से पढ़ो, अच्छा से करंट अफेयर भी रेडी कर लो. अच्छा ये बोलो, विवेक राम चौधरी कौन है?
Yes, sir. He is the current Air Chief Marshal.
Good,
जी.
very good. Yes, that's nice. Thank you. Best
Thank you, sir.
wishes. You have done
Thank
very
you, sir.
well. 9 out of 10.
Thank you, sir.
9 out of 10.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you so much. Bye, sir. Namaste.